Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi juice. First, understand that kimchi juice is the delicious, probiotic-rich liquid that naturally forms during the fermentation of kimchi. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the tangy, spicy, and savory flavors of kimchi in a versatile liquid form. This juice is not only tasty, but also offers numerous health benefits, particularly for your gut. We'll cover how to extract it and use it effectively. To extract the juice, you'll want to gently press your fermented kimchi. If you're using a large batch, a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth works wonderfully to separate the solids from the liquid. Simply place the kimchi in the sieve over a bowl and press down with a spoon or your hands. For a thinner juice or to get more liquid, you can add about 1/4 cup of filtered water to your kimchi before straining. Collect the vibrant liquid in a clean jar. Once you've extracted your kimchi juice, it's time to taste and adjust. The flavor can vary based on your kimchi, so feel free to add a small pinch of salt or a dash of rice vinegar if you want to balance the taste. For storage, pour the juice into a clean, airtight container, like a glass jar. Keep it refrigerated, and it will stay fresh and potent for up to 2 weeks, ready for your culinary adventures. Kimchi juice is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a flavorful base for marinades, salad dressings, or even a unique cocktail mixer. It adds a fantastic depth to soups and stews, giving them a tangy, spicy kick. Many people also enjoy it as a daily probiotic shot for gut health. Just a small amount, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, can provide beneficial bacteria, supporting a healthy digestive system and boosting your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.